Welcome back, guys. So, have you ever wondered? I mean, this message is directed to those of you in my VIP. Have you ever wondered how I do it? A lot of people come to my inbox. Are you one of them? You wonder how I milk the market, especially when I give you guys trades on Vix75. Have you ever wondered how I get to have really good results and all of that? All right, this video is going to explain everything. So just sit back, make sure you watch this video to the end. This is premium. This is for you guys, for my VIPs. This is for I'm just doing this because I want to spill. I want to spill, guys. I'm very happy right now. I want to show you guys how to milk the market. All right. We're running a trade currently. You can see my buy position around here. All right, this wasn't supposed to be my entry. This wasn't supposed to be my entry, but price action will always have the market direction, and with the market direction you can tell if price is going to go in a certain direction. You definitely know what price is going to do. All right, with price action, that is why I always emphasize the need for price action. Right, it's very important that you guys understand how to analyze the market. All right, using price action, technical analysis, guys, is very important. All right, indicators do its thing, but you guys just have to be on the safe side on this. Right, remember, I usually see the more confluence, the more chances. Right, so I'm going to show you guys how I milk the market. All right, I'm going to show you guys my VIPs, those of you who come to my inbox, asking how I do it, if it's magic. No, guys, it's not magic. It's just some principles and, of course, experience, though. But when you have the principles at your fingertips, you are good. All right, so it's best to just have it. So sit back, watch this video to the end, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that before. This keeps me bringing you guys more of this content. I do it for you guys because I know how long it took me to get to the level I am right now. I want to try to make things really easy for those of you who are just getting into the business and all of that. I don't want anybody going through the stress that I went through. All right, and I also appreciate the growth so far. Thank you, guys. So just make sure you watch this video to the end. So I want to show you guys how I did this. Okay, I'll show you guys how this was done. Okay, you can see my entry. It was a little late. I was supposed to enter this trade around here, but for some reason I didn't have access to my chart at the time, so I still entered the trade here, though with a smaller lot that I was supposed to use earlier. So I took it from here, and you can see we are massive profit. All right, this area is going to retrace the price a bit, but it just might keep going upwards, and I am going to take my profits around after this high, because there is let me show you guys. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to turn my screen. You can see the direction of the market is to the upside. So this is a good reason to buy for any trader. The market is in an upward direction, it's in an uptrend. You want to be buying, right? So I'm expecting to take my profit after this high. I'm expecting to create another swing, another high around here, and then we keep going. So this retracement right now is not something to worry about. Okay, so you can see I have my trend line, I have my horizontal lines. Those are areas on my chart where reversal is possible to happen. Like you can see here, it happened here. This is where I was supposed to catch this market, right here. All right, but I did this. I entered here because I have an experience in this. I've seen this over time. I'm a seasoned trader. I've seen this over time, so I knew it was going to do this. All right, but here, this is a key reversal point. You can see a reversal happened here. It happened. If you keep going, you see that price keeps reversing at that area. Okay, if I keep back testing, I'm going to have to push this down so that this would be a little clearer. Nope. Excuse me. All right. Okay, so I have my lines. Sorry, I have to move my screen around. I have my areas of interest, my support and my resistance, the trend lines and the horizontal lines. All right. So how do you do that? How do you do that? You need to, of course, when you're about to analyze the market, when you open your chart, the first thing you want to do is go to a higher time frame, the daily or the 4 hours in the case here. All right. On the daily time frame, I want to be seeing the market in a direction like this for me to buy. In an upward direction, when you see the market create a high, a low, a higher low, a higher high again, it keeps creating the highs and the lows and highs and the lows. I mean the higher highs and the higher lows. You know that the market is in an upward trend. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. This is a high, this is a low, this is another high, which is higher than the previous one, another low, which is higher than the previous low. All right, so this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low. All right, because it's higher than, excuse me. You can see the high here, the low here rather is higher than this other one, and then the one here is even higher than this other one. So yep, that's the market being in an uptrend. So when the market is in an uptrend, you want to be buying, right? But you don't want to just jump inside the trade and buy. That's why I put up these areas, right? My horizontal line here. These are also areas on my chart where I see multiple reversals. All right, so I place the line there. I'll take this line out right now and put it up again so you can see why. You see, I'm putting the line here because I've seen a touch here. I've seen a touch at this level here. I've seen around here. If you keep going back in time, you keep seeing some reversals around that area. You see around here. All right, you keep going, you see more reversals around that area. Okay, so that area on my 4-hour time frame serves as my support. So I waited for price to come to that area. All right, price came to that area. I'm gonna have to rotate the screen again, but then okay, price came to that area here. All right, and then like I said, I was supposed to take this trade around here, but then I missed it. So I took it around here because I knew it's gonna come up to this level. Okay, so price came to this area. The next thing I want to be looking out for is the candles, right? You need to be very, very familiar with the candlesticks. This is why price action is important, guys. Please, please, please get somebody to teach you price action. Get a mentor, get somebody to guide you from basic to advanced level. Get somebody who is into this for a while, who knows the business, who knows this very well, an expert, all right, a seasoned trader. Get somebody who is good, guys, to mentor you. Don't do this on your own. Don't try to do it on your own. Even if you are learning by yourself, still get a mentor to show you a few, right? So you can see we have seen the market in an uptrend. We have identified our support area, and then the next thing is to wait for market to come to your support area. Now I always say confluence. I always talk about confluence. I always talk about having multiple reasons why you want to take a particular trade. And then you can see that my trend line says that these areas are areas of reversal, right? So it touched here, and then this was the next touch, guys. It came to this place, and I saw there was a bullish, all right, candle here. This is a very strong, this is a very powerful bullish candle. You need to be familiar with candlesticks. All right, price action will lead to you understand how candlesticks are able to explain. These candlesticks tell stories, right? So if you learn price action, you'll be able to understand the candlesticks better, right? So just this candlestick was a proof that market is going to move, all right? And then what happened is a push, all right? But that's just a few out of many conditions that you have to look out for before taking a trade. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to bring up this. So when those conditions are met on a higher time frame, remember you have to do this on a higher time frame. You have to do this on a higher time frame. All right, why you're doing this on a higher time frame is because the higher time frame is more significant than the lower ones, right? The daily time frame is more powerful than the 4 hours time frame, and the 4 hours time frame, and in turn is very powerful and more powerful than the 1 hour, and the 1 hour is in turn more powerful than the 30 minutes. I mean, they go like that respectively. Yeah, so you need to always analyze the market from the higher time frame and then switch down to the lower time frame to see what's up, right? So when I see that market is in an uptrend, I also have been able to identify my market direction, sorry, my support and resistance areas. All right, the next thing I want to do is switch to lower time frames to ensure that price is actually at that area. Okay, this is that area right here. All right, to ensure that price is actually at that area. And then the next thing I want to look out for is the candles, right? The candles have to tell you something. The candles have to tell you something. All right, and then you can now go to this strategy. Works perfectly when you go to your lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame. You use the indicators at this point to confirm what price action has shown you. All right, to confirm what price action has shown you. All right, 1 minute time frame is important at this point. Okay, to confirm what price action has shown you, you can see my moving average, the blue lines. When they get to this area, you can see what happens, right? When they converge here, you can see the move to the upside. It happens almost every time. All right, you can see this is another example. Moving average, the three blue lines, it converges around this green line, and then you see what happens next is a big push to the upside. Okay, a big push. This is another example. All right, my three moving averages converge around here, around the green line. All right, and then what happens, right? You see a very big move to the upside. All right, this happens when the market direction is in an uptrend, and then price is at your support area on the higher time frame, price is at your support area, and then the candles are also bullish on those areas, right? And then you switch down to the 1 minute time frame and you still look at the candles and you still look at the indicators, right? So you see, as soon as my moving averages converge around this level, guys, trust me, this serves as, the green line here serves as support, while the red line here serves as resistance. Those are my envelopes here. Serves as resistance. So I want to be buying because the market is in an uptrend on the 4 hours time frame, on the daily time frame, on the higher time frames, right? The market is in an uptrend, so I want to be buying, and I only want to buy on my support area. That's why I have to wait for the moving averages to converge around here. Soon as they do, guys, soon as they do, you see the move, right? You see the move. Now, how many conditions have I listed? A couple, like 5, right? So you see the market in an uptrend, you see price that you support, you see candlestick movement, you come down to 1 minute time frame and you see your moving average, right? All of these are good reasons why you should enter this trade and buy, guys. All right, buy and make your profit, all right? But also you have to know where to exit from. It's very important to know your entry and to also know your exit just before you even place the trade. Price action will do all of this for you. You just have to gain this knowledge. It's very, very important, guys. So you can see I'm still back testing. I'm still showing you guys how Vix75 moves rapidly upwards when my indicators say so, right? So these are very important stuff. This is another powerful example, right? This is it. Gets here and then you see the move, guys. This is crazy. All right, so practice this. Okay, I told you guys it was going to keep moving to the upside. The retracement there was not going to change a thing. All right, so I'm still in massive profit. And trust me, guys, there's a lot to make in this market. You just have to know the right things to do. All right, you just have to know the right things to do and you're good. So practice this. Make sure you practice it on your demo. Make sure it works for you on your demo. Don't jump into your live account and start trading, right? You need to be sure of what you're doing first. All right, I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp number on the description of this video. I'll also be dropping our Telegram platform, so you see how we're killing the market, guys. How we are killing the market, I'm going to show you. All right, we are making a lot of profits every single day. There's no day that passes that we don't make money, guys. All right, there's no day that passes you don't make money. That's my VIP. All right, my VIP, we make a lot of profits, guys. I'm going to be giving you the link to this platform so you join us and be a part of what we have here. All right, I'm showing you guys this because I want you guys motivated. I want you guys to know that Forex actually pays a lot of people, and you just have to be at the right place at the right time. All right, so subscribe to this channel if you've not done that before. It's very important. Please subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up this video. It's going to help go viral so every other person who might want this knowledge to also gain from it, guys. All right, see you guys on another video. Oh, I almost forgot. So I'm gonna have to show you guys the indicator settings. Yeah, so for the indicators, we'll be needing our relative strength index, period 7, apply to close, levels 90, 10, 70, 30. All right, and then you just click done, and then add your envelopes. All right, period 100, shift 0, deviation is 0.618, method simple, apply to close. You don't need levels for this, right? So you just let that be. And then for your upper band, I choose red and green. Red represents my resistance, like I said, and then green represents my support area. So you're done with this, you just click done, and then you go ahead to add your moving average, the 50 period moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. No levels, no, you can just use any color of your choice. I use blue. All right, and then the next one you'll be adding is period 7 moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Levels, you don't need that. You can just choose any color of your choice. All right, click done. And then the next one is period 21 moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. All right, this strategy works for boom and crash, so you can apply that too, but just make sure you're doing the right thing. Contact me on WhatsApp if you will have any challenges. Contact me if you want to join. My VIP is very affordable. Our mentorship program too is very affordable. So make sure that you gain this knowledge for yourself, guys. It's going to be a good thing. It's going to be a good thing for you. All right, so take care, guys. See you guys in another class.